Hey everybody, this is Snook, and today we are going to be opening the BoxyCharm for August. The theme this month is glamping, and I have variation 10. So if that sounds exciting, then please keep on watching. So I was really excited when my BoxyCharm box came. It was a little beat up, so I was a little worried because I knew what my choice item was, and it was going to be coming in glass. So I will admit that I did open the box and check everything out. I will also admit that I used everything on my face that I got. And I definitely have some opinions of what I used. One of the first things that I pulled out was the Hydra Glow Sleep Serum. Greet the day with glowing skin. Hydra Glow Sleep Serum instantly absorbs with a triple action hyaluronic acid formula. Delivered time-released multi-depth hydration for fully hydrating skin that glows. Wake up looking fabulous and greet the day with glowing skin. And it retails for $44.95. My mail comes at 10:30 in the morning, and I pulled it out. I checked to make sure that everything was okay, and I saw that this was a sleep serum. So I put this on my face with some cream over it. My skin actually, when I woke up, felt really, really smooth and very hydrated. Now I did make sure I put my cream over it. I don't know if you really have to, but that's got to pull the moisture from somewhere. And I really like this. I like this a lot. Tonight, one of the things I was really excited about after I woke up was, I had heard good things about this, the Thank Me Later Eye Primer. This cruelty-free primer enhances your eyeshadow and protects your makeup all day. Applying in the morning and go all night long without worrying. Dries quickly and transparently, prepping your eyelids for a smooth and easy application of your shadow. And it retails for $20. Put the primer on both eyes. And this one is the one that I kept the primer. Hi, this is Editing Snook, and I got the eyes wrong. Yeah, so vice versa on the eyes. I get handmade. These are both vegan, cruelty-free, and so is the one that I get handmade. My eyes are very brown underneath. The skin is very brown. I can notice the difference in the two eyes. I had a really hard time blending. If you're used to a grippy primer, then I don't think you'll have a problem with this. If you don't have dark on your eyelids, or on your eyelids, you're not going to have a problem with this at all. I will keep trying it though, because I want to learn. I know there are grippy primers that people love. I pulled out the Too Faced Born Free Concealer. This was my choice item. This is warm beige, and I'll show you the Conceal, Contour, Highlight, and Retouch with the Super Perfecting Natural Finish Concealer Makeup Hybrid. Full loaded pigments provide maximum coverage with an undetectable finish for a look so flawless they'll think you were born this way. And this retails for $29. I like this. I really do. I got too dark of a shade. A little goes a long way with this, for one, because I was very sparingly putting it just under my eyes and around my nose, and I ended up being able to use it for foundation. So that is actually the foundation that you're seeing on my face is from this concealer. It kept spreading and spreading, and I'm like, okay. If you would see me in person, you'd be like, you're a little pasty in other places, but your face looks kind of tan. So I'll have to make sure I use this up before summer is over. So anyway, I really like it. It feels really good. I I just finished putting it on, so I don't really know how long it's gonna last. And I have wrinkles under my eyes, so quite honestly, I was happy I made the choice to get this one. Next, I was surprised by this. I didn't know I got the Teddy Boy eyeshadow palette. A highly pigmented 9-piece eyeshadow palette featuring highly versatile, cool-toned neutral hues. Create an array of looks with the matte, shimmer, and metallic shades that complement all skin tones. Touch-ups are easy thanks to the small, easy-to-carry, mirrored compact. And this is for $28. I had a heck of a time getting pigment with this. It's a very pretty palette. When I look at this, I see smoky eye. It's beautiful packaging. It's magnetic. I mean, and it's got browns and blacks and grays is what I see, and which again are really good colors for me. And I spent 20 minutes trying to build up the pigmentation in this palette by using this palette on my eyes, because I was going to go for a real dark smoky eye look, because that's what this screams to me, is little black dress, smoky eye look. And this is as smoky as I could get it. I don't usually, I can pull pigment from where people can't, and there is no fallout with this. And then for it to say that it's highly pigmented, again, it could be my error, but I really don't think so, because I will be showing the footage while I'm talking about this, and it was just a struggle. So I ended up winging my eyeliner out a lot because I really didn't like the way it came out. And to me, the colors are very similar, and so this doesn't, for me, give me a lot of variety. This is a, do you want it, because I couldn't get the browns to look brown, and everything just wanted to look kind of gray. And the lighter shades really didn't want to play nice. I ended up, for my inner corner and the highlight, using an e.l.f. highlighter, because I could not get this to look, it was a struggle. So the last thing I got was the 01 Velvet Lip Perfector. And I'll show you the box. And it's in a squeezy tube. Clarins best-selling natural lip perfectors go bold with a new matte finish. A liquid lipstick with a weightless mousse texture that delivers a highly pigmented velvety finish with soft blur effect. Formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaving lips feeling hydrated for hours. And this costs $26. I don't know if I'd pay $26 for any lip gloss. So what I will say about this is that I like the color that I was lucky enough to get. I don't like the tip applicator, because one of the times I was trying it on, I squeezed too much out, and then you can't, what do you do with it? You know, I didn't know how hard to squeeze, you know, each squeegee tool. It's really my lips, but a little better. Recap, I like this. I really like this, the concealer. I really like this, which is the Overnight Serum. The eye primer, I'll have to give it another shot. This eyeshadow palette was really a pain, and even if it was sitting next to me, I would probably get up and go find something else to use, which is saying a lot, because I don't move a lot from the space that I'm in. I could not get pigment out of it at all. So it was really, really frustrating to work with. So I got 3 out of the 5 I really like. I was expecting that colorful palette, and I was actually a little disappointed. But then I was like, ooh, that looks like a fancy brand. So I was like, ooh, maybe I'll move it on up. I'm getting fancy eyeshadow. And then maybe that's a characteristic of fancy eyeshadow, is that they don't give you any pigment, but then the card says that there's pigment in it. I don't know. So anyway, thank you so much for stopping, and I hope you have a wonderful day, night, evening, wherever you are, and have a wonderful day. Bye.